Hey guys, I thought since we're all eagerly awaiting the start of spring officially with some warm weather, I thought maybe today's Read Aloud we would read a book all about spring. So today's book is called Spring Blossoms by Carol Gerber. And Carol Gerber is the author or the person who writes the story. Very good. And the illustrator is Leslie Evans. And we know that the illustrator is the person who draws the pictures. Very good. All right, here we go. Spring is bursting out all over. The sun is up. It's warm. Let's go. Trees so bare and plain in winter are dressed up for their yearly show. Look at all their buds and blossoms. Some are pale, some really bright. Proudly wearing nature's colors, spring blossoms sparkle in the light. White dogwood wears a frosty crown. Its limbs spread wider than its height. Crabapple, too, is short and wide. Its fragrant flowers, small and white. Magnolia buds are opening, revealing blooms that glow like, I believe it's gems. My face is in the way. Cherry flowers grow in bundles, like small bouquets on long, stout stems. The white oak bears two kinds of blossoms. Male flowers droop. They're greenish, and I'm sorry guys, hold on one second, I can't see. They're greenish gold. The female blooms are small and red, both open as new leaves unfold. On the beach, male flowers cluster. They're round and wear green fuzzy suits. Female flowers, small and spiky, grow near the leaves along new shoots. Red maple tree reflects its name. Both buds and flowers wear red clothes. The red bud tree does not look red. Its flowers are a pinkish rose. White pine's male flowers, small and yellow, grow in clusters near branch tips. Female flowers bloom weeks later. They're tinged with red like slender lips. Male blossoms grow on balsam fir beneath its twigs, as we can see. Their pollen blows to female buds that grow new cones high on the tree. Suddenly, the trees bend towards us. A warm spring rain begins to fall. Wind sets loose a storm of blossoms. We race to catch them all. And there they said white dogwood, crabapple, magnolia, cherry, white oak, American beech, red maple, red bud, white pine, and balsam fir. In spring, in spring, the days grow longer. The sun rises higher in the sky, warming the air and ground. This change in temperature signals trees and other plants, as well as many mammals and insects, to awaken from their winter inactivity. Spring rains soak the soil, releasing minerals and nutrients. Tree roots absorb this liquid and move it up into the tree. There, it mixes with the simple sugar the leaves made and stored in the tree during summer and fall. This mixture of water, minerals, and sugar is called sap. Sap moves through the tree, delivering nutrients to its trunk, branches, and buds. The tree grows taller and wider. Buds, which develop in the summer and fall, are dormant in the winter. In the spring, they open up into new flowers. Many types of trees bear flowers that contain both male parts and female parts. Some have separate male flowers and female flowers on the same tree. Others bear male flowers and female flowers on separate trees. When pollen produced by the male part falls onto the female part, the flower produces a seed. From these seeds, new trees can grow. Afterward, their purpose complete. The flowers dry up and die every spring. This cycle of bud, blossom, seed, and tree repeats itself. So there we go, guys. So I thought what we would do as a little interactive activity, you can write 4 to 5 sentences about what your favorite plant is that blooms in the spring. So whether it's a flower, maybe there's a certain tree you have in your backyard or front yard, whatever it is, or maybe it's you really like seeing the tulips that you plant in the spring grow and bud. That's fine, but 4 to 5 sentences about which plant or tree, again, any of those things are fine. Or maybe you can even write about an animal, whatever animal, plant is your favorite part of spring. Write about 4 to 5 sentences about that, and you guys can send them to me on Dojo and I'll check them out. Awesome. Thanks, guys.